Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to embed a form into your website using Tallyform. Now of course we'll be using Tallyform, but we'll be embedding it into a Framer website which we're currently building. Before we go ahead, we have the link to Tallyform in the description so you can get a head start once you've learned the steps. Now currently here on Tallyform, we want to assume that you have your form already. Now we have a registration form. When we click on it, it's going to take us to this page. Now this registration form is what you may have designed already. And here you have the embed form. It says use these options to embed your form into your own website. You have the standard, which basically displays itself on the website, or a pop-up which comes up once you're using the website, or a full page. Now we're going to be going with the standard version. Now once it takes us here, you can click and get the code or copy embed link. We'll be clicking copy embed link, go over to our Framer website, which we're currently creating. We're going to go over to the top left corner where you have this plus icon right here. Click on insert because that's what it's for. And then you're going to search for embed. So here you have embed, you're going to click on it. And you have your embed frame right here. Now, because it's selected, you're going to go over to the right side, scroll down to where you have embed. Now you have the URL or HTML. Now the URL is right here, so we can paste what we copied from Tally. Remember, on Tally, we basically clicked on copy embed link. Now here on Framer, we're going to come over here, paste it, click away, and you can see that the form is showing up. Now, in order to put this in a visible area on our website, we can use the control key and our scroll button to zoom out, scroll down, and basically because we have our embed here, we can look for a location on our website to place it. So before services or right after services, we can drag and drop the embed just around the border. So you can see that the border has been highlighted. We can drag it over there and leave it. As you can see, our embed link is right there. Let's zoom in by pressing on Control and using the scroll button on our mouse. And you can see here is our form looking good and nice. We're going to click on Publish at the top right corner, then click on Update. And this is an important step in case you have published it before. If you published your website before, you'll need to click on Update in order for this to show once you view it. So let's go ahead and click on the website link, and this will take us to a new tab. And once we scroll down to the location where we had our form, we're going to find it. Now remember, we placed it under services, and there you have your form from Tallyform placed nicely on the website. As you can see, made with Tally, but we're currently on a Framer made website, which by the way, we're still building. We still have a lot of work to do, but this is how you get to embed your form into your website using Tallyform. Don't forget to check out the link to Tallyform in the description below so you can enjoy this feature. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.